And that was when I rang the doctor and sort of explained my symptoms, and he just said, come straight in. And his words were, it's not going to be good.
We were in absolute turmoil, the worst imaginable experience. And then everyone's reeling from that point on, and it's just so hard to get focus on life.
Well, I'd already gone through 5 rounds of chemo, and then I'd had a phone call to say that it had come back, that I'd relapsed. It was vitally important that I found a donor, because that was what was going to save my life. That was the only option left open to me, was finding a donor. So when I found out it was somebody like literally down the road, so to speak, or, you know, from South Wales, that was just incredible. And somebody so close to my children's age as well, you know, that somebody so young would be willing to do that. So once you've had the transplant, you've got to wait then 2 years to see whether it's successful, and then after the 2 years you get the option then to request your donor's details. It's been a long time coming, but we're all here today to meet her and say, you know, a massive thank you. Can I just give you a hug? Oh my gosh! Lovely to meet you.
Lovely to meet you!
Bless you.
Oh my god, I can't believe it.
Lovely to see you.
I'm so shocked.
It's one of the greatest days of my life to sit in this room now and meet her and understand her motivation and her drive to do such an incredible thing to save somebody's life.
It's lovely to meet you. Oh, thank you. Oh, there was no need. I'm just delighted you're okay. It's so weird. Like, I walked in, like, obviously I've never seen you before. As soon as you said, you don't know me, I just felt it. It was so weird. I was like, I know who this lady is.
But I'm so proud of her, because she's done an amazing thing, and when I see the family there now, and I don't think any of us will ever forget this, because like I say, I do feel that we're all family now.
I think Alison is amazing. Like, whatever I went through, she's gone through way worse. She's a fighter, she's strong, she's absolutely amazing. And I'm proud of her recovery, proud of her tenacity, and I'm so thankful that she reached out to meet me. Donating stem cells to me was important because my father suffered with ill health all his life. He's received multiple donations, and if it wasn't for kind donators, he wouldn't be around today. So it means everything to me.
There can never be enough thank yous. There can never be, you know, enough words to express, obviously, somebody doing something like that. Sometimes it feels like I've just sat in and looked on somebody else's life.
Oh my God.
And I just think, I cannot believe that I went through that. It's so strange, it's so surreal.
Best thing I've ever done, to see her, how well she's doing, to meet her family. It's unbelievable.
People like me need stem cell donors to survive, so, and you know, it's saving somebody's life. You could be somebody's hero, so yeah, I think it's an amazing thing.